Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today we introduce the special types of electrical conduits, clear PVC conduit. Compared with traditional PVC conduit, clear PVC electrical conduits has a unique transparent design for easy inspection and maintenance. In addition, clear PVC conduits have aesthetic appeal in certain architectural applications. Ctube's clear PVC conduit is suitable for indoor conditions for the following characteristics. Ctube's clear PVC conduit follow IEC testing standards and European 6P standards made from environmental friendly materials. Ctube's clear conduits meet the European V0 flame retardant standard. Withstand impact rated at 320 Newton to 750 Newton. The temperature range of our clear PVC conduits is from -50 to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance. One of the highlighted features is that they can be bendable without breakage. This may facilitate some turning of cable and wiring. Sizes ranging from 16 to 25 mm and two thickness options, light and medium, to match the demands of different applications. Various colors can be chosen. We also accept customization. Choose Ctube's clear PVC electrical conduits for a safe, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing solution for your electrical projects. That's all we share today. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website.